Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another Captivz egg video. This will be one of two. I've got 6 more eggs to unbox, so I'll split it up into 2 videos. And we'll start with this 3. Hopefully I can find some doubles for some friends. And let's dive right in. So that. So last video I got 2 mosas, a brachiosaurus, a rex, and another brachio. So this time, let's try for triceratops maybe. It's one that I've gotten very few of. I think I got 1 actually. And it's supposed to be a common figure, but as we've experienced, there seems to be only a few types of dinosaur per box, so you can't get a full set out of a box, which kind of sucks, but I guess that's fine. Just more exploring. So in here we have, oh, whoa, it's a triceratops. Okay, we got what we wanted. Yee. So there's the triceratops. It's one of the bulkier of the figures. It's actually got more mass than the rest, I guess I should say. So let's put this baddie together. I don't know if that's upside down. It's probably not. No. Okay, so there we go. And look at that. It's like movie accurate. Though it's green, it's got really nice head sculpt, really nice paint job. All of the horns are painted, which is fantastic. Beautiful figure. Okay. Oh, it seems like we got a misprint. So it came with 2 of the tokens instead of 1. That's odd. Okay, well, we got 2. We got an extra token. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but got it. So let's move on to the next one. Let's try and guess it. What could this be? I say, well, I hope it's maybe a velociraptor. Potentially, let's hope for delta, because I've already got blue. Oh, I mean, I've already got a lot of blues. I have basically completed my collection. I'm just missing the indominus, if it is actually, in fact, in this lineup, as it says it's exclusive to some set, some kit that doesn't exist, but it's in the Camp Cretaceous lineup, so no need to be afraid. If I don't find it, I can just pick it up from there. And we've got a brachio. So I've already got a few of these. Just pulled 2 from the last video, so this makes 3. There we go. And let's move on to this egg. So let's hope for, again, I'm going to say delta. Seems to be a figure that I can only find a few of. Same with the Indoraptor. I've only found 1 Indoraptor, and I've only found 1 delta out of the... How many eggs have I got? It's over 200. No, I've got like... No, I've spent over $200 on them. I've gotten like possibly 70 so far. I'll have to count. I have traded some away. But yeah, seems like this one's a smaller fig, or less parts. Hopefully it's not a Pteranodon. Oh, it's another mosa, of course. This makes 3 of them now. Nice. We got a pretty big pile of trash beside us at the moment. So put that together. Bada boom, bada bing. And I love the color on this guy. You can see very light underbelly, and then it's like darker purple shade. The face has loads of detail. The painted teeth, painted inside of the mouth. Even the eyes are painted. So there we go. Mosa, Brachio, and Triceratops. What a haul. Finally got a Triceratops. Double for once. So hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video, and be sure to check out the other ones if you haven't already, and I'll be posting one more, so stay tuned for that. See ya.